Today we're going to change Wi-Fi networks on the Ring Doorbell Wired. Let's get started. Okay, you want to make sure that your phone is near your Ring doorbell. Then you want to launch your Ring app. Then you want to scroll down to your video doorbell camera. You want to tap on those three little dots up in the top right. Then tap on settings, or you can tap on the camera itself and then go up and tap on the gear icon. Both take you to the same place. Then you want to tap on device health and then tap on change network. And it says change Wi-Fi network, so I'm going to tap on that.
Now in setup mode.
And then you want to tap on I am near the device. Then tap on light is spinning white, which it is. And then I'm going to tap on that. And then I'm going to tap on got it. Now it wants my phone to join the Wi-Fi network of the Ring doorbell, so I'm going to hit join. Connecting to your Ring doorbell.
Now connected to the Ring app.
Okay, so it wants me to connect to the secured 2. That's not the network that I want to connect the doorbell to, so I'm going to hit show all networks. Then I'm going to tap on secured. That's my Wi-Fi network. I'm going to go ahead and put in my password. Okay, you want to make sure that you tap the little eyeball up in the password field just to make sure that you've got your password right. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put in my Wi-Fi password. And then I'm just going to tap continue. And it says connecting Ring doorbell.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Just a moment.
So this should only take like 30 seconds at the most, as long as you have a good, solid internet connection.
Setup successful.
Now I'm just waiting for the confirmation, and I'm going to hit continue, and it's going to show that it's connected. It says network name online, and I'm just going to test it while I'm here. Why not? And it says someone's at the front door. So we're good to go. Thank you for watching, and if you don't mind, hit the like on the way out. It really helps our channel. And have a great day.